We count.
You want to count together?
Yes. Squeak comes.
All right. Let's go then. Come on.
No. It's going to be squeaky noises.
We're not afraid of squeaky noises. Even your feet squeak sometimes, right?
Yeah. It squeaks all the time. Yeah, it's going to squeak. Yeah, and how?
Right.
You're walking on carpet. Yeah, squeak. Yeah, it will turn those squeaks too.
All right. If you want to go, you have to go now. Otherwise, we're going to leave because it's time to go pecan picking. What do you think? Are you going to try it again? You did a really good job last time, and you came down the slide, and I was waiting for you.
Yeah, it's squeaky noise.
So go up one more floor,
Yeah.
and there's no squeaky noise one floor up. Do you want me to come up halfway, like I did last time?
Yeah, you come up. They save me for squeaky noises.
Come on, there's nothing to save you from.
No, it's going to be scary.
I don't think so, but we don't have to do it if you don't want to. All right, let's put our shoes on then.
Yeah, just take your shoes off. Yeah, go up there and say squeaky noises.
Skyla, I don't fit in there.
Yeah, just come up there.
If you don't want to, we don't need to.
Yeah, go up there and say me squeaky noise. This won't squeak, yeah, this the one way. No, it squeaks.
I know it squeaks, but you're not afraid of squeaks.
I do.
Since when?
Because I cry. Yeah, I go and do footpath. Yeah, it's scared.
All right, then let's not do it.
What's doors closed?
You can open it.
I can't open it.
I actually think that's not the door. Keep going a little bit more, and that's the door. See? All right, let's put your shoes back on. It's time to leave.
I can't make it close.
Yeah, it's just a doorway. It's not an actual door. All right, let's get our shoes on.
No, up there is squeaky noise up there. Yeah.